Tired of supplement companies making big promises but delivering tiny results? Today we're diving deep into Alpha Lion supplements to see if they're the real deal or just another hyped-up brand in the fitness jungle. First, let's crack open the ingredient profiles. We're not just looking at fancy names. We're checking the dosages and the science behind each ingredient. Are they using clinically backed amounts, or are they skimping to save a buck? We'll break down key ingredients like those found in Superhuman pre-workout, examining their potential benefits and any potential drawbacks based on scientific literature. Next up, real-world results. We've scoured the internet for customer testimonials, both the glowing reviews and the not-so-great ones. We'll analyze common themes, looking for patterns in effectiveness, side effects, and overall satisfaction. Are people truly experiencing the gains they hoped for, or are they left disappointed? We'll highlight both the pros and cons based on user experiences. Finally, let's talk value. Are Alpha Lion supplements worth the price tag? We'll compare them to similar products from other brands, considering factors like ingredient quality, effectiveness, and cost per serving. We'll give you our honest opinion on whether Alpha Lion offers a competitive edge or if you can find better alternatives for your hard-earned cash. We'll also give our final verdict. So, are Alpha Lion supplements a worthy addition to your fitness routine, or are they just another case of clever marketing and empty promises? Stay tuned as we give our final verdict. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more unbiased supplement reviews.